Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Say good morning.
Morning.
Say good morning, everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
Kyrie's gonna help with the calendar this morning. Y'all can tell Kyrie hi.
Yeah.
Say hi. Wave at Kyrie. Wave at Kyrie.
Wave back, Kyrie. Say hi.
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 Okay, so we're gonna start with the what?
Canada time.
What time is it say aloud?
Canada time.
It's calendar time. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
The month is.
November.
Kyrie said the month is November. Do y'all agree? If y'all agree, come on in and circle it. Can you circle it, Kyrie? All right. Can you go circle it on your tablet, Kyrie? Circle November with the leaves. You got it? What is today's date, guys?
5.
Today is the 5th. 5. Can you write a 5, Kyrie? Wow, check out Kyrie 5. Can you circle your 5 order? Circle your 5. Kyrie, you circle your 5?
Yeah.
What is the year? Kevin, I know you're at home. What's the year, Kevin? Kevin said 2020. Is it 2020? Kyrie, is it 2020?
Yep.
Yes. And the number 5 is going to be an odd number. Do you know to spell I, Kyrie?
I.
Do you know to spell I?
I.
O. Wait. Slow down. O. D. D. Can you go to the back of your calendar and circle and trace I in the back of your calendar? I. And you do the I. Trace the I in the then trace I. Very good.
Oh, hi, Kevin. Okay.
Your mommy watching the video. She see you now working.
My mommy watching my video. My mommy watching my video.
Yeah. Mommy's watching now.
My mommy watching my video.
Yeah. Okay. So, what is the weather today?
Sunny.
Sunny. Okay, y'all circle sunny.
Yeah.
Circle sunny. Stop. Circle sunny. Sunny. Circle. Carrie, did you circle sunny on yours? Circle your sunny. All of you did the sunny? And the season is what, guys? What's the season?
Oh.
Circle fall. Fall. With the leaves. Fall. Circle your tongue. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Uh-oh. What is the temperature? Is it cool? Is it cold? Is it warm? Or is it hot?
It's hot.
It's hot? Circle hot. It's hot to you too? Circle hot. Is it hot to you?
Not this cool.
What are you doing? Don't erase it, Kyrie.
I'm cool.
Okay, what could we wear today?
Shit.
A shirt? What else can we wear today? Jacket, sweater, shorts, and pants. Now go put it on your board. Go fix it on yours. Listen here. What can you wear today, Candy? Then, what can you wear today?
Okay.
What else can you wear? What else can you wear? What else? Alright. Let's go to the next slide. Yesterday was,
Yesterday.
what was yesterday?
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Can we all circle Wednesday?
No.
Wednesday. Curry, go circle Wednesday.
There's Monday.
Wednesday. Then circle Wednesday. Wednesday. Okay, today is what, guys? What's today? What is today? What's today? Is today Thursday? Yes, today's Thursday. Thursday. Today's Thursday. Today's Thursday. Tomorrow is going to be what?
What's tomorrow, y'all? If today is Thursday, tomorrow is what? It's right before our weekend.
What is it? Say it.
Come on,
I
Friday.
can't hear you. Say it, I can't hear you.
Say it. Tomorrow is Friday.
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 Tomorrow is Friday.
Alright. How many days of kindergarten's been in school? 49. How many days first through fourth grade been in school?
14.
51. You've been in school 51 days. 5-1. 5-1. 5-1. 5-1. Then, okay. How many classmates do we have?
11.
11. Okay, 11. 1, 1. 1, 1. Kyrie, you cannot help like that. You need to make a better choice. Or you can't be a helper. That is not how we do that. I can't erase it.
So, does Kyrie want to help? Kyrie has to play by the rules.
Why is it so big
Roblox.
right there?
No, wait, no.
11, guys. Carrie, this is not how we help. And the record is going. Miss Mick could see, your mama could see, everybody could see. You have to be a leader and do it correctly. So, you got your 11? You need one more? One more. Which one of them, right? Okay, good. So, and today was alright, guys. Oh, we already did it. D, D, and we need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is our calendar. We'll talk to y'all later. Have a great day.